OSIRIS-REx continues the amazing legacy of exploring the solar system through sample return. We started out with the Apollo missions, where we had astronauts on the surface of the moon, collecting a wide range of materials, which provided unprecedented insights into the formation of our closest neighbor in space. We've seen comet dust return from the Stardust mission, and asteroid particles returned by 2 Japanese missions, Hayabusa and Hayabusa 2. And OSIRIS-REx goes beyond those other missions, especially Stardust and the Hayabusa programs, by bringing back a lot of sample. We're bringing back, we estimate, about 250 grams of material, about the size of a coffee cup, full of this precious, pristine carbonaceous asteroid sample.
The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft is currently on its way back to Earth. So excited to see that sample and see how much we actually brought back from Asteroid Bennu. It's been a really exciting journey from launch back to sample return. That's a 7-year journey, 7-year process. And at that time, I will have been on the mission for about 7 years. And so it's going to be a wonderful culmination to this adventure of OSIRIS-REx.
I joined OSIRIS-REx and became part of the mission about 3 years ago. It's been really incredible for me because I watched this mission launch on my cell phone when I was a postdoc. I heard about it get selected before I applied for my PhD program, and I remember thinking like, oh, 12 years, it's gonna come back. I wonder where I'll be. And it's so amazing to be here and be part of it. Playing what feels like to me a very important role in it is really incredible.
I've been waiting since 2004 for an asteroid sample return mission. It's been the majority of my career getting ready for sample return. In some ways, a blink of an eye since launch happened. In other ways, it's been a very long time waiting for this precious sample to come back. It's going to be an emotional, joyous, gut-wrenching event all at the same time. I can't wait.